Hello guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to create a group on Instagram. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. Just make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. After you open your phone, as you can see now, go and open your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, tap on this message icon at the top right side. After you open this message icon, as you can see now tap on this pencil icon at the top right side again. After you open this pencil icon, now as you can see now, tap on this section where it says create group chat, this one. So after you tap on this create group chat, as you can see now, by default to give you suggested people that you can create group with them. As you can see now, all these are suggested people. As you can see here, it says suggested. So all you have to do now, tap on this mark button to mark on the person you want to create group with them. But if you want to just search someone specific on Instagram to create group with them, tap on this search bar and search for the person name. Let's say I want to just create a group with just someone specific on Instagram. So as you can see now, if you type in the person name, as you can see now Instagram will give you all different people with the same name that you search. So now you can go ahead and mark the people that you want to create group with them. As you can see now, if you tap on this, as you can see now the people are just marking here. So after you finish selecting the people that you want to create group with them, just tap on this create chat group chat. So as you can see now I created my group chat with them. So now you can be able now to go and send messages, send pictures, and so on. So now if I type on this back arrow, so as you can see now here is my group that I just created. As you can see, here is the group now. Now here is my group that I created on Instagram. So hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.